Namaskar. There are days when your mind feels many different moods without warning. You may have feeling of sadness or suddenly irritated or frustrated with something. It's easy to feel confused, even helpless when your mood constantly shifting like this. But these mood swings are not signs of weakness. They are messengers. They show you that somewhere in your body and mind there is some imbalance. When the body is agitated or the mind is agitated, then these are shown as mood swings. Today we will try to understand what causes these mood swings. Then I'll guide you through simple but powerful techniques that can help manage your mood swings and be joyful and calm consistently. And at the end, I'll also give you a bonus tips that you can do every day in less than 30 seconds to calm your mood. Now let's start by understanding the causes of mood swings. Most of them are not visible on the surface, but they affect our state deeply. The first cause can be emotions from the past. Sometimes mood swings come from unresolved emotions. If someone was emotionally neglected or was deeply criticized, such emotional wounds can be stored in the body. A small incident in the present, a harsh tone, a moment of silence can unknowingly awaken those old feelings. The next cause of mood swing is hormonal and physical imbalance. Hormones are like silent messengers in the body. When they go out of rhythm due to menstruation, menopause, thyroid condition, or even lack of sleep, they influence the mind. That is why in Ayurveda and yoga, we always treat the body and the mind together. Third cause of mood swing can be isolation. In modern times, many people are physically connected but emotionally isolated. Lack of real companionship, irregular sleep, eating at odd hours, and too much screen time all create disconnection inside. This makes the mind restless, and that restlessness turns into an emotional swings. Knowing the cause brings half the healing. But now let's focus on what you can do, maybe gently and wisely, to restore your balance. These techniques are simple yet powerful and effective. All you need is a little attention and a willingness to take care of yourself with patience. Your first technique is Anitya Bhavna. Human personality cannot be devoid of emotions until it achieves complete control over the mind. So techniques like Anitya Bhavna are recommended to purify the chitta. The basic concept of Anitya Bhavna is what was in the morning is not at midday. What was at midday is not at night. For all the things are transitory. Why should you be attached to anything when nothing is permanent and everything is changing? To practice Anitya Bhavna, what you have to do is sit in Sukhasana or Vajrasana or any meditative posture. Close your eyes. If not possible to sit on the floor, sit on the chair with erect back. Let's understand the steps. Mentally, passively review the events of the day in detail and in the chronological order, preferably from waking up to present. Do not judge or analyze any thought or event. Make a cup of palms and place on the eyes. Blink gently inside and then open the eyes. This technique is like seeing the mind film of how you spent the entire day. You spend time recollecting events of the day in chronological order. This process can take from 10 to 20 minutes. Any more time taken would mean either you are extremely mindful and are recollecting every details of your activities, or you are stuck in one or two events and lost yourself in judging, analyzing. The next technique to manage your mood swing is Yogendra Pranayam number 4 or diaphragmatic breathing. Our breath is the bridge between body and mind. Whenever you feel emotionally overwhelmed, Practice this yogic technique. So here, just lie down on the ground and breathe deeply with one hand placed on your navel and another hand straight palm facing up. This would really help you calming down. Just 5 minutes can calm the nervous system and prevent so many emotional reactions. So here, lie supine, pull up the knees closer to the hips, keep the feet 1 foot apart or hip widths, but knees close to each other. Place the hand on the abdomen. One hand can rest on the side of the body, palm facing upwards. Eyes should be kept closed. So here, while breathing out, push your stomach in. The muscles should go in. And while breathing in, the muscles should come up. So the stomach is moving up and down. Just watch this movement and relax. The third technique to manage your mood swings is have a routine. An important teaching in yoga is to live in Niyamit Jivan, a rhythmic, disciplined way of life. Wake up, eat, and sleep at the same time every day. Here, the sun and moon follow the rhythm. When your day lacks rhythm, the mind becomes unstable. These small routines can act like anchors for the nervous system. When the outer life is steady, the inner life slowly becomes peaceful. Let me also give you 3 mood balancing food routine. First, we have warm milk with pinch of nutmeg or cardamom before bedtime. This food regime calms the nervous system and improves sleep quality. Then there is banana with few soaked almonds. This combination is rich in magnesium and tryptophan. This snack uplifts mood naturally. Finally, we have tulsi or chamomile tea with a drop of honey. This soothes anxiety and relaxes the mind. Fourth, keep a Rasa Diary. In Indian philosophy, we speak Rasa, the emotional flavors of life like joy, fear, wonders, sorrow. Keep a small notebook. At the end of each day, write down the dominant rasa you experienced. Over time, you will start to notice patterns. This awareness itself will help you bring emotional regulation. And the last technique is connect with Satsang. Mood swing often grows stronger in isolation. Find the company of calm, kind, and positive people. Even listening to wise talks, reading good literature, or thinking good thoughts can be called satsang. This technique also requires to you being mindful of what you consume through your screens. Don't watch something that is very negative or violent or disturbing, because your mind can easily begin to think that life is full of difficulty or negativity. This will then cause you to feel a lot more negative emotions than usual. And now, at the end, let me tell you a powerful tip to manage your moods. Every day, touch the earth. If your mood has been very unstable, place your bare feet on the soil for 5 minutes in the morning. This is a very simple grounding technique known in many traditions. The earth's natural energy helps reset your internal rhythm. It is especially helpful for those who feel anxious, restless, or scattered. Remember, the goal is not to eliminate the difficult emotions. Life is not meant to be flat. You will have emotional ups and downs. The key is not to get stuck with one difficult emotion. Let the mood swings come, but you have to learn to let it pass. Just as we soothe a crying child, you have to learn to soothe your difficult moods. Mood swings do not mean you are broken. This simply means that your inner balance needs a little more attention and love. Namaskar.